see that. It's dark in here. Thermostat. I'm going to turn it to heat and go in the basement and do the on and off switch thing. See if that will work. Descending into the basement. It's a mess. Most of those things right there are empty boxes. But the basement's got lots of stuff. See, it's fairly dark down here. That happened like a week ago, and I really don't know why I didn't run the laundry and I didn't take a shower or anything like that. So why it backed up, that's sewage, I think. Gross. Here's the furnace in question. Put in a filter, and there's another filter that goes down in there. Here is the on and off switch. Turn it off. Turn it on. Turn it off. Turn it on. I don't hear anything. I hear nothing. Of course. Is there a blinky light? Pool table with crap on it. Not heavy stuff, but just crap anyway. And back in the corner we've got a sump pump in the floor for when it rains a lot. It fills up with water to keep the basement from flooding, but that doesn't always work. Okay, let's... God, it's cold. Electric box. Is it marked? Not really. Just says that number 1 is the downstairs light. Nothing seems to have been tripped. If they get tripped, these things go, the opposite direction of where they are. But it hasn't been tripped or anything. Oh, criminy. It's cold. Can you see? Where is it? Where is it? I can see it from here. Why can I not see it with the phone? Okay, this is what it's doing. Can you hear the hum? Now I'm turning it off. I don't hear any fire igniting or anything. Ah, criminy. Hello, mess. I've been doing such big sighs, I can't sigh any deeper. Oh, God. Lots and lots of stuff. Brian's trombone. Scott's clarinet back there. There's a marching band from when Brian was in it. With a lot of kids. Now to get back upstairs. That door goes out into the garage. And to the right of me here is this railing wall. I know it. There used to be a whole wall here and a pantry inside the wall over the stairs. And whoever it was took it down. And now there's have to put a light. The power switch is for the kitchen, microwave and all is right there. Because this other wall, fancy schmancy looking wall, used to be a wall too. And whoever redid the place took that down also. Dining room wall. That's the front of the house. Goes out in the garage, this door here. Then this is a pantry. that used to be in this wall here. Over the stairs used to be the pantry. And that railing wall, whatever, used to be a half wall here. And then that used to be a whole wall. That refrigerator was here when I got here 20 years ago. I had to replace the dishwasher, it didn't work, so this one I replaced. My stovetop has the front right burner does not work. The wall oven, I don't know. I'm afraid to use it because when I turned it on, gosh, 2, 3, 4 years ago, they turned the gas off due to non-payment. I had paid it, but they didn't think so, and they turned it off. When they turned it back on, a gas guy had to be here, and I had to be here, and it went whoosh. But I don't think so. That's when I got my convection microwave. This is a pantry. Actually, it's deeper than that. But I put a false back wall in there because it was just too far to reach in for stuff all the time. And I put lots of styrofoam and here, cereal and oil and sauces. Here we've got beans and rices, lentils. Down here, a few canned goods, pasta. Yeah. Oh, and my wraps and oh yes, that was a good wine. Yum yum. Oh golly Moses, what a mess. Don't look like much is going on out there today. There's a squirrel. I don't know if you can see him. Haha. Critters. What's the thermometer say? It doesn't say anything. You have to look at it. It is somewhere between 30 and 40 degrees. Slightly above zero, sort of, kind of. Yeah, little birdies. This plant, I don't know what it is. There are two of them together. Scott left them behind. He named them Zelda and Link. This is my astral fern. And my mother-in-law's tongue, or my snake plant. I'm surprised it grows. I'm deaf to plants. Don't mean to be. Yeah, my house is like a living panic room. No wonder I have anxiety attacks. It's interesting. I'm sure everybody out there is going to see something different. I saw a bag of Cheetos. I saw this, or I saw that. Might be kind of interesting what kind of weird thing you saw. You can tell me down below if you want. I don't think there's anything unmentionable. Anyway, I'm really disappointed. I couldn't straighten out the furnace here. I have an eyelash that's been in my eye for 2 days, and that's why I was rubbing it yesterday. I guess he likes it there. Yeah. My next guess is that it is the electric igniter switch, which, because of the way things are lined up inside the furnace, could possibly get dripped on by water from the humidifier thing, whatever. I mean, it's possible. I've had that problem before, and the guy came out and I think he took a penknife and scraped on it, which allowed it to heat up and ignite the flames down there. So I don't know. I'm going to have to try to barter or something, because I can't afford $100, $200 for a guy to come out and pull out his penknife and scrape something, and I certainly don't want to risk it by myself. So I guess we'll just have to do with the space heaters for now while I'm trying to think of something else. tomorrow's Friday. I found out where I will be doing my election officialing. They are not in the library for the next, 9, 10, 11 months because they're renovating the library. They've moved to some church. It's a little further away, but I know approximately where it is. Maybe we'll take a drive out there and see exactly where it is. There's all kinds of stuff coming up. Like what? Like what? Life. Oh yes, yeah, I'll be making blueberry thingies. And maybe some spanakopita finally. Yeah, upward and onward.